Hi there, Kent Larsen from Smart House Electric. This is an intro to a whole series of videos that is targeting on looking at the schematics for an Ergoline, the Ergoline Affinity series, which is an electronic 2-bed. That means that it is pretty much the same as a Shark, Chill, Excellence, Evolution. So if you take those schematics, you're going to be able to understand those as well. And so again, we have those on our database that you can download, and I really urge you on this series, if you're going to go through this series, to look at the schematic, like print it out and have it in front of you, or you can have that maybe on a laptop and then watch the video on a smartphone, and then so you can kind of see it more clearly. The quality on here on YouTube is not gonna probably not be sufficient enough to really see the little details there is in the schematic. So this is a system that is much used in electrical build-up. This is not just for tanning, and so this is actually a really good training to, if you don't already know this matrix system of the diagrams, to get into them, because it's moving further and further away from the giant diagrams. They're hard to print out. It's something that's difficult to deal with, where these kinds here, you can just send it as a PDF file to a tech or to a client or whatever, and then they can print it out on regular paper. So let me introduce you to the system, this matrix system. So you see there's a whole lot of topics here. So you can see the control system, the main power has a page, and so forth, ballast, facial tanner, canopy, facial tanner, and so forth, all the way down there, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 23. And so, and if you look across here, you have, it's kind of hard to see, I know, on YouTube, but if you really, it's a good idea to download the diagram and print it out and have it in front of you, and then look at that. You could really see the details in all this, and kind of just follow and what I'm doing here on the screen as an explanation. So, but up here in the top bar, you have a section here that says 1. And so imagine just to go straight down, boom, 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 all the way down, and that's section 1. So these are like columns that goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's go to the first diagram here, and we see all these divides. Yeah, boom, 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 all the way over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are on diagram number 2, or page 2 in this diagram series. And so let's see here. Let's go out here to the side and look a little bit closer. Oh man, just bear with me here. Okay, so there's a little bit of help. They do write what the general idea, what this is going to: facial tanner, shoulder tanner, lamps group 1, 2, and so forth. But besides that, what really the system here is that here you see the page number first. So 3, so page number 3 will have where this wire here is going. So we have a black wire coming off of this interference filter, which this is. We're going to get into this whole diagram is a whole video in itself. We'll take that as the first video after this one. And so we're going to page number 3 with this wire, and it's going to be in column number 1. And so what we're looking for in column number 1 on page number 3 is a wire saying L1GB, and it's a black wire. SW in German is schwarz, which means German. Sorry, which means black. And so let's get to page number 3. Alrighty, and that's here. And then let's get a little closer. We can do that without making too much mayhem. Yep. So, well, now I knew where it was, but I didn't want to waste your time messing around. So, down here, you see, here we'll have the mirror expression. We came from diagram number 2, and we came from section or the column number 7. So that tells you where it's coming from here. And we can double check it again here. L1GB, that was the indication of this wire. And then it says SW spots, and we know we're in the right place. So that's how you trace the diagram together. So you have a little bit of another thing I want to show you is plugs. And so for plugs, the system here is that you have a BU and you have an ST, and you can see that on the labels in the tanning bed as well. And ST stands for Stecke, which means plug, and Bünsche, that means receptacle. So you have 2 fittings. So you will have BU2 fitting with ST2. So that's how that works. And here, from that, you can see the little numbers. And if you look really close on the actual plugs in the tanning bed, you can see like small engraved numbers on the back side of that plug, so you can see it. And again, I mean, you can also follow the wires in the diagrams, and you will know, and you have the colors here. But like you see here, there's a lot of similar colors, so it can also be helpful to look at these numbers as on the plug. So that's what I wanted to show with that, and that's pretty much the introduction to this whole line. I mean, in this we're gonna get into each subject now, and again, please download. Look down in the comment section in the description. Look in the description of this video, and you will see the download, and go to it, print it out, and follow that. So hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.